Hello friends, you are more than welcome to your own channel Career Starts YouTube channel. Here in this video we are going to see very important questions from the Indian constitutions. These questions will be very helpful for your competitive exams preparation. Now let's have a look upon the questions. Hunter Commission was appointed by the British to probe into which painful incident? The answer is Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Next question is which classes participated the least in the Indian national movement? Princes of states. Which nationalist leader has been referred as Lok Hitwari? The answer is Gopal Hari Deshmukh. In which year 5 districts and the tribal area were taken away from Punjab to create the Northwest Frontier Province? 891. Next question is who was the Governor General of India who proposed the shift of capital from Calcutta to Delhi? Lord Hardinge II. Next question is who was given this idea that is cowardice and ahimsa do not go together any more than water and fire? Mahatma Gandhi. Next question is how many times did Jawaharlal Nehru became the president of INC? 3 times. Next question, who gave Vallabhbhai Patel the title of Sardar? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. My own belief is that the Congress is tottering and one of my great ambition is to assist it to a peaceful death. Who said it? Lord Curzon. Who was the heroine of the 1942 Quit India movement? Sarojini Naidu. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Quit India movement started in 1942? Lillian-Go. Name the early nationalists worked in England to mobilize public opinion in favor of the Indian national movement. Dadabhai Naroji. The next question is do or die was one of the most powerful slogans of India's freedom struggle. Who gave it? Mahatma Gandhi. Who set up the famous Bengal chemical Swadeshi stores during the Swadeshi movement? P.C. Ray. In the late 19th century, Jyotiba Phule Satyashodhak Samaj undertook a demand. What was that? A demand for separate representation for untouchables. Which movement came to an abrupt end due to Chauri Chaura incident? Non-cooperation movement. Who committed the most daring murder of the Sir Curzon Valley in 1907 at the public meeting in London? M.L. Dhingra. To protest against which act Gandhiji founded Satyagraha Sabha in 1919? Rowlatt Act. When did Muslim League adopt self-government as one of its objectives? In 1912. At which place Quit India movement was adopted by INC? Bombay. In March 1908, who was elected as the permanent president of Muslim League? Aga Khan. During whose viceroyalty King George V visited India? Lord Hardinge. When did Subhash Chandra Bose resign from the presidentship of the Congress? In 1939. Which act gave representation to the Indians for the first time in the legislature? Government of India Act in 1935. Where was the headquarters of Ghadar Party? San Francisco. The Indian National Congress was formed in the year 1885. Where did the first Satyagraha campaign of Gandhiji started? Champaran. Who played an important role in bringing together the Muslim League and the Congress in 1916? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the first Muslim president of the INC? Rahimullah Sayani. Who looked upon the Khilafat agitation as an opportunity for uniting Hindus and Mohammedans as would not arise in 100 years? Gandhiji. Which communist of India played a notable role in the world communist movement? EMS Namboodiripad. What were the Hindu counterparts to the movement of Tabligh and Tanzim? Suddhi and Sanghatan. The Mughal rebellion of 1921 broke out in which part of India? Kerala. During whose viceroyalty the Rowlatt Act was passed? Chelmsford. Who was the first woman graduate of the Calcutta University addressed the Congress session? Kadambini Ganguly. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress when India became free? J.B. Kripalani. In 1905, who raised the demand for Swaraj and self-government within the British Empire from the Congress platform? G.K. Gokhale. In which year did the British government announce for the first time Dominion status as the goal of British policy in India? In 1929. Who demarcated the boundary between India and Pakistan? Sir Cyril Radcliffe. In 1893, who started the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental Defence Association? Tibet. What was the ultimate goal of Gandhi's Salt Satyagraha? Purna Swaraj for India. Who is remembered as the pioneer of economic nationalism? R.C. Dutt. Who was referred as the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity by Sarojini Naidu in the early years of Gandhian period? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who was being referred as the conscience keeper of Gandhiji? C. Rajagopalachari. Who was advocate at the famous INA trials? Bhulabhai Desa. In which year Swaraj Party took part in the election? In 1923 and 1926. Who wrote the play Andheri Nagri Chaupat Raja? Bhartendu Harishchandra. In which year did Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote Anand Math? In 1882. Who was the Home Minister when Jawaharlal Nehru formed the interim government in 1946? Sardar Patel. Who led the revolutionary Yugandhar Party, which tried to conserve its resources and build international contracts so as to organize a real military conspiracy at an appropriate time? Jitendranath Mukherjee. Thanks for watching my video and giving your time for my channel. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Please let us know the feedback. Share this video, like and comment so that we can reach your requirement from our channel. Thanks for watching. You can comment to our channel through these emails you can see, and you can follow us in Facebook also. Once again, thanks a lot for watching our channel. Jai Hind.